Sweetie, what are you doing up so late? You should be, you should be in bed. No, you should be sleeping, okay? So, come back to bed. I don't know what you're doing up. You're being weird. You have a hard time sleeping. It's probably all that coffee that you took. Now you can't sleep. Here, come to bed. Let's cuddle for a bit, okay? We're gonna cuddle for just a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna help. Alright, sweetie. Tell me, why can't you sleep? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I see. Honestly, sweetheart, it's just... they're just jealous, okay? They are jealous of you. They are. It's just, you're just so pretty, you know? Guys can be mean to you because you're not single and they want you, and girls can be a little mean because you're just so much more prettier than they are. Alright? So, I want you to understand that these people are just haters. That's just who they are. Okay? They are haters. Alright? Because you're just so beautiful and perfect. You're beautiful and perfect in every way, so don't worry about it too much. I'm serious, I'm not lying to you. Like, you know, when we walk out in public, like, so many guys check you out and they stare at you and they look at me and they're like, hey, how did I get a girl like that? I'm serious, sweetie. I mean, here, the other day when we were at the restaurant and you left to use the bathroom, there's a guy that came up to me and he was a waiter actually, and he was like, oh dude, how'd you get a hot girl like that? And I told him, like, yeah, I got her by not being myself, you know, so that was it, you know. It's just the way it is. You're just a pretty girl. You know, people will treat you bad, people will treat you good. It's just don't worry about it too much, okay? Okay? Good. Of course, anything from my little sugar plum, my little teddy bear, my little honeybee, my little Christmas tree, my little sugar cookie, my little ice cream cake, my little cupcake, anything for you. My little princess bear, my little space alien, okay? My little plum tree, my little apple pie, anything for you, princess. Oh, sweetie. You have a hard time sleeping, don't you? I'm sorry. Just don't worry about it too much, okay? I'm serious. You do not need to worry about it. I remember when I first saw you, I thought, that you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. I was so shocked taken aback by your beauty. And I was like so nervous to come up and talk to you. I was scared, I was frightened. I never seen anyone so beautiful before. That's why I was so scared. But I knew. And I knew I had to talk to you, so I mustered up the courage to go and talk to you. And as I was walking towards you, my palms were sweaty. My heart was like racing. I was so scared, but I did it. I did it anyways, and I went up to you and I said hi. And I still remember that first look when you gave me. When I walked up to you and said hi, you gave me that look like ill. How dare this disgusting man come up to me? I'm just kidding. I think you were shocked. But, I tried to make small talk and stuff like that, and yeah, I was so nervous. I was so shocked that when I asked you out, you said yes. I couldn't believe my ears and eyes. Just couldn't believe it, but I think that was one of the most happiest moments of my life. Alright, sweetie. It's time for you to sleep, okay? It's getting late. Alright? Good night, my little princess. Good night, my little honeydew. Good night, my little avocado. Good night, my little teddy bear. Good night, my little grasshopper. Okay? Alright? Go to sleep now, okay, sweetie? Good night, my little princess. Sweetie. How come you're not sleeping? You're hungry. Okay, we do have a lot of food in the freezer. We got lasagna, pasta, macaroni, ice cream. We have ice cream. Frozen ice cubes. We got these like frozen corn dogs. Salisbury steak. We have like frozen fries that I can microwave. They'll get soggy and stuff. Yeah. Whatever you want, princess. You want the lasagna? Yeah, I can get you the lasagna. Okay, give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. I got you some food, okay? Here you go. Eat up. You are so cute. Here, scoot over for a bit, okay? I want to cuddle for a bit. Sweetie, you got the most beautiful eyes in the whole world. I'm serious. Your eyes are honestly something special. They are. Your eyes sparkle. They really do. Especially when you talk about something you love. I mean, it could be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I know I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. You have this unique beauty to your eyes that they just glow. But honestly, sweetie, you really need to be careful. Because with eyes like yours, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. They really are. Your lips are really beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it just lights up the whole room. And it feels like everything just kind of fades away. And it feels like I'm just here with just me and you. And it makes me feel like I'm so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I can listen. I can listen to you for hours. Your voice, combined with your lips moving, it's mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just wanted you to know that I appreciate you, you know. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness that it makes it very comforting to be close to you. I know you probably deserve to hear this more often, but you're really amazing inside and out. And your lips is just a part of that. And your hair is just, it's just so beautiful. And I love brushing my hair behind your ear. It looks so soft and smooth. And I like the way how the light shines on it. It just glows. And I get lost in it sometimes. Your hair just fits your face so perfectly, it frames it so perfectly. But I really like brushing my fingers through your hair. It feels nice. And sometimes, when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. It's like there's a whole brand new side of you that comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And all that makes up your face. I mean, you got the most beautiful face in the world.